Hey guys, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really easy, beginner-friendly summer eyeshadow look. So these are very summery colors, very bright, very cute, and super easy to do. It took me like 5 minutes to do this, and I'm going to show you how exactly I made this happen. So the palette that I used today for this look was the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette, and I used the pink board, this pink purple board that it comes with. This palette is so good. It's like a really nice rainbow palette. It's only $16 and it's from Amazon. So I used this pink shade and these two shimmer shades mixed together, and this was like really minimal, but it looks a little bit complicated, like you actually tried to do something, so we love those. And what I actually did was I took a really dense, flat, kind of big packer brush, and I just packed on that matte pink shade all over my lid, and I kind of tried to keep it pretty saturated on the lid, and I also winged it out as well, and I kind of tapered it off as it got closer to the to the brow bone. So basically what I'm trying to do is create a kind of winged out looking eyeshadow look. So this is actually going to accentuate my eye shape and really make it look nice and flared out and winged out and give me that cat eye looking eyeshadow look. So basically I just started by packing on the pink shade and then just like winging it out and tapering it off as it got more toward the outer corners and in the upper area. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye, and this is me winging it out. So you just want to like play with the pressure that you put onto the lid with the brush. That's going to give you a more concentrated look or a more less faded look. So after I got the initial shape on, I went ahead and flipped my brush over to the side and kind of blended and buffed out that upper edge just to make it look a little bit more blended and a little bit more seamless, because that was the kind of look that I was going for. If you want, you can leave it like a nice harsh line, so that would be looking a little bit more graphic, like graphic eyeshadow. Then I went ahead with my Born This Way Too Faced concealer. This is a really light shade. I like to use this to carve out my lid. It is a little bit too light for me to use on my face, so I do use it on my eyes. And I went ahead with a really small concealer brush, and I just created like a little cut crease moment. So this is basically like a half cut crease, and I stopped 3/4 of the way, and I just kind of flared out or winged out that last little line, and that is really gonna accentuate your eye shape, and it's just like a really nice detail to have. So then I went ahead and filled in on the inner corner on the lid, and then I kind of left the end a little bit diagonal looking so that the pink was coming into the concealer in a diagonal way, which is also going to help with that cat eye effect. So I did the same thing on the other side, just kind of stopping 3/4 of the way, creating a cut crease kind of thing, just outlining my lid and just flaring out this last little line here at the end, and then making sure that the concealer allowed the pink to come in at a diagonal shape, diagonal direction. Then I just filled in the whole entire lid area, and this is what it should look like. So after I did that, I went in with the two pink shimmer shades mixed together, and I just literally just filled in that whole concealer area that I put concealer on with this pink shade. I did want to go for pink on pink because I wanted to kind of create like a contrast or a pop of color with the yellow that I am going to be putting in the inner corner. But if you want, you can definitely go in with another color that does contrast with pink, but I was just going for a completely pink eyelid with just one other pop of color in the inner corner. I feel like this looks really nice. It's not too crazy. It is pretty toned down, being monochromatic and just pink on pink, but you can do whatever you like. So this is what it looks like. Then I went ahead and took more of that matte pink and just kind of filled in that gap that I left, and just kind of merged and blended the shimmer shade with the matte shade and just further kind of deepening up that diagonal line that we have going on. This is going to kind of create like a really nice pink wing sort of, and it just blends the matte and the shimmer shades together really nicely. Then I went ahead in with this yellow from this blue board from the same exact palette, and I used kind of like a pencil brush, and I just kind of packed that onto the inner corner. I felt like this really added a really nice like bright pop of color and kind of contrasting with the pink going on, and it just like really makes the look very summery. So this is what it looks like. And then the last thing that I did was I took my concealer brush with some excess concealer and I just cleaned up the outer corner. So this is really going to bring the look together by really making it look very nice and winged out and really clean, and this is just going to accentuate your eye shape even further. Everything that we're doing here with all of the cut creasing and the winged out eyeshadow is just going to uplift the eyes and make them look really nice and long, cat eye looking and accentuated. So this is what the look looks like without lashes. You can definitely go that direction, but I also applied some lashes to show you guys how it looks with lashes. So this is me applying the lashes, and this is basically it. That is all that I did. I really like how it came out. It took like 5 minutes to do, and I literally used like 3 eyeshadow shades, and it was really easy. So definitely try this out if you feel like doing this. I really like the colors together, and like I said, it took me like 5 minutes to do. So let me know what you guys think. I did actually get some eyelash glue on my eyelid, so ignore that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Definitely recreate this and tag me if you do. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!